How to use one key cache on Expedia. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to use your one key cache on Expedia. So are you having trouble using your one key cache? Don't worry, this video will help you find a solution. So to use your one key cache on Expedia, you can redeem it towards future travel bookings. One key cache is a reward currency you earn through the one key program, which can help reduce the cost of eligible bookings on Expedia, hotels.com, and Vrbo. So here's how you can utilize your 1K cash on Expedia. You can use your 1K cash to fully or partially cover the cost of a pay now booking for the hotels, vacation rentals, car rentals, and various activities. For flights, ensure that you have enough 1K cash to cover the entire ticket price, including the taxes and fees. You can also earn 1K cash on various bookings, including hotels, vacation rentals, car rentals, cruises, activities, and vacation packages. And note that these flights earn a smaller percentage of the one key cash compared to other bookings. Make sure to use the same email address on Expedia, hotels.com, and Vrbo to manage all of your rewards in one account, and you can easily monitor your one key rewards online by logging into your account and checking the reward activities section. Finally, remember that you can use one key cash at every checkout as long as you have enough funds available. So that was all about it. This is exactly how you can use and get benefits of one key cash on Expedia. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.